What do you think, Robert?
I think it's a mess.
I think so too. Welcome to 24 Rooter. Today's episode, well, it's pretty obvious. We're in Yakima in a basement. Sewer lines plugged up. You can see the crap coming up all over the floor, in the toilet. So that's what we do. Stick around and we'll show you what we're going to do to get this fixed.
A little darker. I've been looking for another one of these.
Okay, we must be up on something right there. There it is. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. It's getting ready to clear in a minute. If you could go around to the other bathroom on the other side and just turn on the sink just a little bit.
All right, not a problem.
You want to just monitor it? Okay, hold up right there.
Okay.
1 second. Let me get my flashlight. Yeah. I might need to borrow yours.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and turn it back on again.
It's on.
Okay, that's good. Go ahead and kill that.
Okay.
Come on back.
Okay.
Just hold the light here.
Move.
One heck of a something good. All right, finally. Got her clear.
There it goes.
All right, well, we got it clear. Now we just got a heck of a mess to go clean up in the bathroom, and drain is draining great. So, hey, thanks for sticking in, making it all the way to the end of the video. Hey, if you like our content, we would love to have you subscribe. So click the little subscribe button, hit the little notification bell, and stay tuned for the next episode.
Laters.
Have a good one.